Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been posting in a long time, but from now on I'm going to be posting at least as much as I can. Like one video every week, I guess. My mom bought me these beautiful sets from Ikea, and I'm going to be unboxing them, and I'm going to make a video with this set making Jello. So let's get to it. So first, I want to unbox these. These look really cute. They are like, they're little cups. They're really cute. So I don't think I need any scissors for this, so I'll put the scissors to the side for now. You just go like this. Put that to the side. Oh yeah, I do need scissors. With these.
Done.
I know.
Oh no, I did.
It's okay. So bloopers. It's okay. So there's some good hair in there. Pinky's up.
They're really cute. Look at that.
Don't bang him. And then I like these.
Wow, beautiful.
So I'm trying to get this out, but they're really cute. They're like, it's like a mini tea set party. And there's this little pot. I'm gonna open it. Yay! These are really cute, honestly. So let's move that to the side. Move that to the side. So this is like the pot, the food. So cute. This is the cup.
I think this is like for sugar, and that little one is for milk.
Oh yeah.
You know, when you do the tea party.
Party. Okay, so that's the first box.
Take all of them out.
Oh. I'm just confused. So I'm gonna make a little set of them. They are really cute. Okay. So that's this set. They are really cute. You can use them for like a tea party and all that.
With your girlfriends.
So I'm just gonna put this right here for now. So yeah, they're really cute. This is like for sugar, like my mom said, milk or like honey.
Yeah.
And then you can use a little tiny teapot. And yeah, so next I want to unbox this. So right here, this is like some plates. These are like some plates and bowls. They're really cute. Sorry, bloopers. Let's get to unboxing. I know you guys may think that it's like, how are you a lefty? It's hard to be a lefty. Well, it's not really hard to be a lefty. It's really fun being a lefty. I'm proud of myself. Oh.
You okay?
Yeah, I just went like this in my stomach. See, this is why you need parent safety. I'm gonna say child safety. Ah. Huh? So now, here are these little bowls.
Oh, they're so cute.
And in these bowls, I am going to make Jello for my next video.
Look at this. A whole setup like that.
For my next video, I am going to make Jell-O. What's in here? Nothing. Let's get these out. Ooh, got some plates. So cute, look. These are so cute.
And these little plates, you can put this on the plate. Wow, look at that. Very cute.
And then we got the big plates. We got some marbles. It's really cool because the colors, there's like, it's only green, blue, pink, and yellow. And I kind of like pink and yellow. Those are my two favorite colors.
Pink and yellow?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. You have the whole set for tea party. Now you have to invite your girlfriends for a tea party.
Next, I'm going to be opening this one. This one is like for cookies. There's cookie cutters, a roller, and I don't know what that is.
That's for cakes.
Oh.
Yeah.
I can make some cakes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's open this up. Oh.
Wait.
Didn't mean to do that.
Roller.
I'll make some cakes. There's a
Gingerbread.
a heart, and a star.
Oh, we're gonna have to make some
Cookies.
cookies. Heart cookies for Valentine's Day.
Oh yeah, that would be perfect.
They're such a nice cutters. I like them.
They're so cute. And this is for pies.
Yeah, that's for pies.
I was gonna say this is also for cakes, but it's for pies. That's cute because then just like the little indents
Mm-hmm.
in the pie. This. Are you sure this is for cakes? Because there's like a hole in it.
Yeah. Lava cake or, you know.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
a cake. Yeah, it's for cakes.
And then I got this. Limited edition.
Oh, look
frying
at that.
pan. Ooh,
Put that over there and put all
limited
that.
edition frying pan.
Here.
Okay. Let's do this really quickly. And last but not least, we got these little cups. They're really cute because, Yeah, they're really cute because you can drink
But
it.
those are plastic, but they're still
They're
very
still
awesome.
really cute. Yeah, I like it. I like them because they're like clear. The other ones, they're glass. And I'm afraid to break the other ones. And then these are like, oh,
I think little kids would love this.
these
This
are
is-
for apple juice.
all this, basically all this kitchen set is from Ikea, and all this is around $35. I don't remember exactly how much all this cost, but $35 for all of this. So that's a very cute kitchen set
yeah,
for
I-
this money.
Yeah, I really love this kitchen set. Thank you so much, Mom. And in my next other videos, I am going to be making some foods. Bye. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and be sure to hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I make another video. Bye. toy. Chocolate combine pink. Chin chong combine Thai. Chin. Chin ta boy toy. Toy toy. Little toy. Chin toy. Oh, the little toy. Tin toy. Tin toy. Tin toy. Chin toy. No. ไม่จะพูดอีกชิงาใส่ใส่ตอทีโอตีตาตาโอตีตาตาหลอตีตาตาตีตาโอ้
Don't do that. No. I go eat.
อาตัวดีตาไปไหนโอตีตาตาคนรีบตาตาโอ้โอตีตาตาตาโอ้ตีตาตาของปัจจัยของมัดแข็งของปัจจัยเราไปตาโตตาเทียปัจจัยตาของชิงาไปละ
Ikea.
ตาไปตา
Включи. Давай.
We are